I just got $15 from this airdrop, this Solana airdrop. If you're using any Solana wallet like the Phantom or the Solflare or Bonk or any Solana trading wallet, you too can get this airdrop. Yes, this is the second round of the airdrop. The first time they did, I got about $20, and the second time I'm getting $15, and I've shared with some of my close friends, and they got $20, some $10, some $15. And I want to show you the simple step by step of what to do within 5 minutes, and you will get your own free Solana airdrop. Yes, I'll walk you through. This is my Solana wallet, and I'm going to show you what I did to get this. Okay, just come to I'm using Phantom, and you just come to the bottom part, the right hand side, the bottom of your Phantom wallet, and you click your browser icon. I will give you the link, this link. I will paste it in the description. You can find this link in the description. So when you go to your Solana wallet, to the browser area, paste the link. Once you've pasted the link, you have to search for it. Allow the link to load. This is super safe. You know, I've claimed before I told you this is the second round. The first round I've claimed before, and they gave me, and the second time I have to select wallet. It is Phantom, Solflare or Backpack. I'm using Phantom, and I will connect my wallet, and let me see if I'm eligible. Okay, nothing to claim in this wallet, but I have done in 2 of my wallet, and I was able to claim this free airdrop. So you have to try for yours, and it might work for you. If you look at this history, you will see that I've claimed before. Yeah, if you look at this history, all-time ledger, you will see I've claimed this airdrop before. So I just claimed some minutes ago in some of my wallet. I have several wallets, Solana wallets I have several Phantom. I have multiple Phantom wallets. So you can just go to your Phantom or Solflare or any other wallet, Bonk. Alright, you can just go ahead and try. There is no harm in trying. You might be lucky to get $10, $15, $20. This is something that could pay good bills for you. So for now, you have to try. And if you love the content we're posting here, then like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to see anytime we have updates around the crypto space. Have a nice